Good job, Jesse Brock.
Hide behind JT. Oh, he's going to the wood. Look, 10 foot all the way up there.
There's a guy who can shoot on the left.
Are we supposed to be putting presents in places?
No.
We're supposed to.
We're just defenders.
Yeah. You can throw presents outside, but
Yeah.
you cannot bring them with you.
Okay.
So.
I thought we were supposed to be putting presents.
Blue pilot fort foot. Blue pilot fort foot. Blue pilot fort foot. Yeah, you're good.
Did you break paint?
Yeah.
Oh my God!
Hey, you can take the next one if you want, but you just got to check off left when you do it.
Okay.
You can take the next one if you want. You got to check off left when you go, though. Watch the, yeah, check left. Go quick to the next one. Go, go. Moving right. Hey, he's at the outhouse on the right foot.
No way he made that shit.
He's dead. I think Judge pointed to him.
You got it.
Why are you out?
Hey, fuck that rocket guy. He can't kill me. Kill two! Kill two! Fuck that rocket guy, Judge. How far over can we go, Judge? What?
In the woods on the right. I think he's out.
Get out of there! Get him out, Judge! I just shot him. Right on his gun. Bright orange. Big guy up in the middle, big guy up in the middle. it, buddy. Shooting orange. How about it, nerd? How about it? How about it? Kill another. See that, Judge? Good job. Kill another, my side. Get out of there, old man! Kill him! All right. That's 4 or 5. Jesse! Jesse Brock!
He's out.
Jesse Brock!
Oh, God, I didn't break my
Jesse! I'm up to 6. Make it 7 if that guy leaves. Check yourself, player. How about that? On your head. All the way back at the barn, I'm shooting bright orange. That's 7. Move it right, move it right, move it right, move it right! Move it right! What? What? At the outhouse? Okay, thank you. Move it right. Ooh, how about it? Hey, he made it to the wood line. Right side wood line. I'll take that. Hey, Jesse! Jesse! Jesse Brock! 9! 9!
Oh, shit. They're moving.
Move it right! Move it right! Watch for the overslide, Doug. Get him out of there! Get him out of there! Get him out!
He's out.
Woo! 10! 10! One of them was dead. Is there another?
Yeah, there's another.
Jay, is there another? One is dead. You're good. Come on, let me snack you. Woo! Woo! Oh, I'm blind.
Oh, come on! Give me that kill!
Come on, baby. You're low. You ain't hitting me. Move her right! He's creeping by the truck!
Post it.
Ooh, don't shoot me.
I'm not gonna shoot you. I'm way over your head, bud. You're okay. I'm just covering your left.
You take far house, I'm on the inside house.
All right, I got far.
Wait for it, wait for it.
Yep, there's a space.
Check your head, bud.
I hear that, Jay.
That's me.
I hear that, Jay.
That's me. That's me in the leg. That was me in the leg.
Give me that kill. Give me that kill, kid.
Fuck you, I just shot him in the leg. I shot him in the leg. That's why he turned around.
Move it right.
That's 12 for me, not you.
Oh, goodness.
I shot him in the fucking leg, I swear to God. Move her. Move her to the inside. Move her right, move her right. Move her right, right side tray. Right side. Hey, Aiden, you're 12. Next one up, inside.
Whoop, tree. Back right, tree.
Back right tray.
There's at least 2. Oh, give me that. Come on. Hey, all the way to the right. Oh, gone.
Get out of there, nerd. Check him. Back at that tree, Judge. I hit him. Hey, there's closer tree. Closer tree on the right. Give me a second, I got 1 pod left. I'm on it. Get out of there, buddy. Get out of there. Red shirt. Get out of there, Santa. I'm shooting bright orange. Get out of there, bud. Kill him! That's 13! 13! Far side left house, Jay! Move her into the sticks! He's off in the, he's in the creek! He's in the creek! Get out! It broke! Get out! It broke on your shoulder! You're out! You are out! It broke! Get out! I'm shooting orange! It broke! Get out! I just saw it break! Get out of there! He's right next to me over here. Look right. He's right here. Check your back! What? Hey, go over there in the woods.
Okay. You got two down below us in the woods.
I know. Find out how close they are. I need to know. Hey. Yes! You're 12 right now. I can't find him. I need you to help me find him. Oh, I found him. Okay. Sorry, bud. Get out! Mover! He's inside the house on the left! What? I need paint.
We got one behind the tree up there.
We need to move up. Jay, hey, Nanner, I gotta go get paint. You wanna come hold this? Yeah. Come on, just come over here. I'll shoot left. Come on. Ready? Hey, start shooting. Go. Come on. Nothing from the left. Nothing. Okay. Right over there, the tree right there. I got to go back and get paint. No, I got to get paint. What's on the right?
The back one house.
Is that it? Hey, move it right. He's gonna fill. Shoot that big man. Shoot him. Shoot him. Hey, shoot that big man, lady.
Woo. Hey, bud. Welcome. Welcome to the party.
Ooh, move it right.
I got to call that.
You, what? You ain't gotta go nowhere?
Oh, really?
Did you? Oh, yeah, you did. Sorry, bud.
Push him out of the lane.
A little bit.
Yeah, if I dropped the wall, so you should be good on that side.
Hey, on your hopper! Hi! At least 15, ain't no lie either.
I call it 14 and a half. Yeah.
He's wrapping.
That's our guy.
Oh, tell me. Get out of there! Woo!
Anna. Oh, tree. Oh, that's way back there.
Oh, move it up the gut. Hey, he's up the gut. One more in front.
The Shadow Creek guy.
What's on the right?
The tree. I know which one. Way back there. 12 o'clock up.
Oh, I see him.
Pretty long.
$16!
Window.
Which one? Okay.
Oh, he's walking out.
Oh, hey, inside the door, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely inside the door.
Yep. I see.
Oh, check the face, baby!
Santa. Santa.
Check your legs, Santa!
There you go.
Oh, come on. I won't take it.
Our guy in the tree. Don't shoot our guy.
No, I need paint.
Nope.
Hey, if you go, will you? You can go get my paint from the back of the car. Bring some for me. Okay. Inside the house is shooting at me at the doorway. How about it? Good luck. Nice and high. Come on. Oh, you. Where'd it go?
great.
No, I had to go all the way out there in my bag. Thank you. Watch the guy over on the right, he's gonna creep in. Hey! Hey, they're flooding the right! They're flooding the right! No, that's not an open play guy.
I know, okay. That guy.
Hey, we got a guy that just walked over into the woods on the right.
No shot, sorry.
Jesse Brock! Jesse Brock! The one right in front of those guys. Right in front of those guys.
Hey, shiny Santa's in the woods.
Hey, watch it. We can see you. Yeah, but I see you. Hey! Hey, we need someone over here. We need someone in the woods. Hey, we need someone in the woods, otherwise they're gonna crawl up this gully. He's still in the doorway.
Yeah, still in the doorway.
Hey, right side wood line. Right side wood line. Time's a couple. Last time they got really close on this right side. Hey, 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 we need a body over in the wood line. I mean, they got right there. Hey. How about that, Santa?
A lot of brush. Yeah, aware.
Get out of there! Get out of there! Get on out! Get on out! Hey, if you're out of air, go get us paint.
Doorway.
In the back of my car, to unlock the car, is in the I'm down, completely down right now.
Oh man. There's a guy in the outhouse right in front of us.
Jeffrey! Hey, guy in the outhouse, hey! 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 Guy in the outhouse right in front of us! Watch that window! No!
I'm moving. Get it so I can look right.
Okay, do it.
Because both of us in here sucks. But as soon as you're a little more able-bodied to do some shit.
I'm ready.
You good?
Give me a second.
Right, give me a second. I'll wait for an opening. Kind of heavy.
Okay, go. I ain't got... Get out of there! Right on your stomach! There we go. 20. 20. Come on, baby. Aim it. Oh, get out of there, baby.
Oop, still one in the one. Still fan of the one.
How far up is he? How far up is he? Oh, I see him. Give me a second. Check your head! Check your head! Couple more, moving right. Check it. Check it.